Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about CPI data. What is it and what is its significance to the financial market, right? So today at 1:30 p.m. we'll be expecting CPI news from the United States. That's 12 February of 2025. So what is CPI? Right, let's delve right into it. CPI is the short form of Consumer Price Index, and it determines the rate of change in the prices of goods and services relative to another period of time. So here it's been divided into the month on month and then the year on year. So the month on month CPI measures the change in prices of goods and services over two different months, right? So here will be January, between January 2025 and then February 2025. And then here the year on year will be between February 2024 and then February 2025. So we can look from here, we can see that it's high impact news because CPI data signifies some sort of strength or weakness in the US dollar. And then a strength or weakness in the US dollar has a very significant impact or creates some sort of volatility in the financial market, right? So the forecasted value for the month on month is 0.3%. So it means that they're expecting that over the previous month or from the previous month till now, the prices of goods and services have changed by 0.3%. And then for the year on year, it is forecasted that the prices of goods and services have changed by 2.9%. But most of the time, emphasis will be placed on the year on year because it gives an overall overview of the strength of the US dollar or an overall overview of the general change in prices of the goods and services over the entire year. So, based on the forecast, we determine whether it will have, or based on the actual value in relation to the forecast, to determine whether CPI news will have a bullish or a bearish effect on the financial market, especially USD pairs. So, when the actual values are released at 1:30 p.m., if the values are lower than the forecasted value, so let's say it comes out and the year on year is around 2.5% or something lower than 2.9%, it's a general, you know, indication that um prices of goods and services haven't changed that much relative to the forecast. So then to have a bullish effect on the USD. And then when the actual values are out and then it's greater than the actual forecast, it shows that prices of goods and services have changed, like changes in price, like prices of stuff have gone up. And so it's going to have, or signify a weakness in the dollar, right? And then it's going to have a bearish effect on the US dollar. So it will be very important to sit on your hands and wait for these values to come out because they're going to move the markets very, very much because CPI news is also, an indication of inflation, right? So inflation has a very, very huge impact on the market. And so yes, that is CPI news, or what's the general overview of what CPI is and what you should expect at 1:30 p.m. GMT. So see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.